What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? This is Snail, and this marks the end of the development process, or at least the active development process for the Side Runner, the side-mounted A1 mini system. I mean, it's so cool. It's mounted on the wall. Guys, I am done developing it. And just as a little fun kind of extra, I made this. So this is actually a special build plate. It's running 3DQ is running. Check these out. These little arms hold a bucket, so that, or you can adjust it to put your own bucket on there. That bucket's going to catch these parts. They're going to come off the printer automatically. How cool is that? Check out 3DQ. It's on the screen right now to learn more about them. They're amazing. Guys, you come back to a bin full of parts. How cool is that with 3DQ? But yeah, and it's actually ideal in this orientation for 3DQ. They just fall right off. You guys are going to witness it. I got it set to, I believe, 31 degrees. Oh, there it goes. It's going to come right now. See, because I got it set to 32 degrees, and then it should do the wipe sequence. So we're going to watch it do it right now, live. Okay.
We'll do it live.
Okay.
We'll do it live!
I think I got it going to 31 degrees. I think is what I got it set to, but it's getting ready to do the wipe. So I'll keep talking to you before that happens. But yeah, 3DQ is so cool. What it does is it does the part. Obviously the bed heats up, everything heats up. It does the part. It cools down to an appropriate temperature, and then this is a special build plate for PLA, PETG. Oh man, ABS, all kinds of different stuff, nylons even, with the right settings. But it's like a feather. I could knock this off just by like barely blowing on it right now, but I don't want to. But it's just enough to hold it up, even sideways, guys. How cool is that? And nothing's falling off. And I'm using the SuperTech build plates for the other ones while I'm waiting on more build plates to come in from 3DQ. But I've used 3DQ before in the past. It is so awesome of a system. These guys are from Canada. I was going to say Canada.
Excuse me, have you been smoking any pot today?
No. But they're from Canada. They've been around for 3 or 4 years now, actually, maybe even a little bit longer. They are it's an absolutely fantastic team. They keep developing this system, because it's actually a queue system. So what it does, it's not just the automatic removal and stuff like that. It's actually a queuing system. So you can say, like, I want 100 of these, and then you could have 10 different printers, and each printer will make 10, or these 5 will make 20, and these will work on something else, or this one will make all 100, and these other printers will work on something else. You can queue all that. Very cool. It's very cool. Yeah, it's a professional system. So, yeah, here we go. So here's the wipe. Okay. So this is all automatic. I'm not doing it.
To Royce and Fagundes, and that is the final whistle.
That's the wipe sequence. So super fast, super easy, and this just so happens to be the final boss, which needs to go on here, and it's going to go right here on this. It is the poop thing. What is it? Poop basket. Oh man, I think I made that too close. Trying to do this one-handed is tricky. Gosh. I can do it. I can do it. Yeah. Okay. I just did that one-handed with it on the wall. That's pretty slick. I'm just a little... Am I too tall for it? I don't know. No, not real, oh yeah, just a little too tall. Darn it. Well, I'll raise it up. But that's the poop bucket. So that was the final boss on this. And I'll admit, that might be the one thing that needs a little bit of work. I don't know. It's working so far right now, but I haven't tested with every filament, and maybe some are stickier than others. But that was the final boss. So I'll take you through the full side runner system right now. We've got, okay, here we go. So we've got AMS attachment piece. It's French cleat. There's another attachment piece on the wall. You've got attachment piece on the machine and another French cleat attachment piece on the wall. This comes off. You can set it on the desk. You can be printing right away. So that's it. And then you got this piece, which is the poop basket or poop bin. You've got these, which are, I'm just going to upload all these files. But yeah, these are the bin holders for automatic printing. Okay, yeah, you can see like this is the 3D Q. It's about to start the next print, and you guys will be here when that starts probably. But yeah, we'll be able to watch this. So the final boss is, oh man, it's red too. You can't really see it. I'm sorry about that. We'll see how this does. It should do pretty well. It's functioning, I think, about as good as I can get it to go. Because the trick is with this, I mean, the filament is going straight down. It's like it just, obviously it oozes and goes straight down. If I catch it too early on the back side here, it'll clump up. You know, so I want it to clump up like right around here, which it's doing right now, and then it'll knock off and then come over here. It's pretty perfect, but I mean, it could use some more thorough testing. So that's the one part of this system where I'm like, yeah, people are probably going to make something better, although it's totally functional right now. Yeah, I mean, you don't strictly need it, but yeah, you're just going to have strings all over the place because the filament doesn't like bunch up. But yeah, it works. That's working pretty good. So that was the final boss. All right, so we got the AMS piece. We've got this. We've got this. We've got the attachment pieces on here. You got the spacers. And I think, last but not least, we have the normal spool piece. So this just goes right on these normal pieces right here. It just sets right in, just like that. You put the spool on here. This is for single spool. Yeah, and no problem. And then you'll be running single spool. And yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and upload this. And you're going to see the links down below. Well, I'm going to upload this video. You're going to see the links down below when this thing goes live. Probably tomorrow is when all these links are going to be active on MakerWorld. I'm going to separate them all out, all the files. So I'm excited, man. Hope you guys like the side runner. It's a lot of fun. Check out 3DQ. I don't want to say this is sort of sponsored. I mean, I got this plate in from the guys, but I'll tell you what. Oh, I gotta mention, this is Matt from 3DQ's idea. Essentially, when they first started. Oh man, I hit it off. I pushed stop on accident. But yeah, when they first got started over at 3DQ and doing the part ejection stuff, man, I think it was before COVID. It was before COVID because they had masks and stuff. So this is like 2018 they got started. They've been around for a little while. In the 3D print game, that's, you know, eternity. But yeah, they're a great company. And but anyway, when they first got started, they were doing a 90-degree just like this. They had the printers turned sideways, but the world wasn't ready for it. They weren't ready. So that's what Matt over there at 3DQ told me, which makes total sense. But now you got the positron and upside down printing. You know, this is no problem. Oh, and by the way, I really should show you. Here, check this out, dude. That for a mini. Okay, this is multicolor benchy for one. That's why you see. I mean, but yeah, because this is such amazing quality. I mean, I got some banding here, but I think that's just from the multicolor. I mean, I'm just because I'm running it. So, but this is honestly, I can't tell any difference running it sideways versus on a table. I really can't, quality wise. Yeah, this is up close. I mean, it's fantastic, epic mini quality as usual. It's a lot of fun to see it print sideways. It's a lot easier to see too, honestly. Yeah, bridging's easier in a lot of cases. Guys, but I have a confession to make. I've been cruel. I've been sitting here letting you think that this whole time, in some vain effort that you would smash subscribe, and now, by the magic of editing, the files are released.
Snail. Let's go, snail.
If you click in the description below, you'll see the files listed. Go there, download them, hang your printer on your wall. Most of all, put pics up. Man, guys, spread this around. Tell your buddies. If you would, if you have a couple of boosts, a boost or two, man, I'd appreciate it on MakerWorld. I'm posting this up for free against my better judgment. I should put it on Colts. I should print it on printables for money, but I'm posting it all up for free just for you guys. God bless, Merry Christmas, and Happy New Year. Here's to 2025.
In a land where snails do roam, give this vid a little home. Click subscribe with all your might. You make it right. Subscribe to Snail, what a ride. Like this video, keep that pride. Thank you all for stopping by. You reach the sky.